Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's video is going to be on a pointer arithmetic operations. So what are the various arithmetic operations we are going to perform in case of pointers in C. So the previous videos, if you would have watched, I would have taught you about pointer, the basic of pointer, what exactly is a pointer variable, followed by declaration and initialization of pointers. Then I taught you the third video was a double pointers, concept of double pointers, triple pointers and level of pointers. So today's video we are going to deal with pointer arithmetic operations. That too I am going to teach you addition operation in pointers, how to perform addition operation in pointers using pointers. Okay, so let me take when I want to perform addition operators, let me take an array variable. Okay, a variable, an array, concept of array. Okay, so how do you declare an array? First let me teach you the basic concept of the pointers arithmetic using the theory concept. Then I'll teach you the execution part of the same concept. Okay, so let me move on. So my code, if I have the code int a of 10, so I have declared an array variable of 10 elements, and after this particular line the memory reference will be like this. For example, if array variable has been stored at address 1000, okay, so the indexing will start from a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So from a of 0 to a of 9 I will be having the index values, and the values entered are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100, for instance. Okay, now I have declared an array of 10 elements. What is the data type? It is integer data type. Now how do I declare pointer variable? It should be int star ptr. Let me have star ptr as pointer variable, where that will point to the base address of the array. Okay, array variable a. So after this particular line, what exactly will happen? We'll have the memory reference, for example, at address 2000. If at address 2000, if ptr is been assigned memory space. Okay, now what will happen? Memory space will be assigned here for ptr. Now we have to assign value inside ptr, right? So how do you assign value inside ptr? The statement ptr is equal to address of a of 0. You got it? So ptr is equal to address of a of 0. First two lines. After the first line, the memory reference will be like this. Okay, for the array elements, for 10 different elements, memory will be assigned. Okay, so the base address, suppose the base address is 1000. The base address of the array, if it is 1000. Okay, so what is the first value? 10, 20, 30, 40, so on up to 100. So from the index value a of 0 to a of 9. The second line in star ptr, which is pointer declaration. Okay, so this pointer declaration will hold address of another variable. Now this address of another variable will be address of an array variable. Okay, so address of a of 0, what is address of a of 0? It is 1000. So 1000 value will be stored within pointer. Okay, now what exactly is happening? Now pointer ptr is pointing to a of 0. You got it? So ptr is pointing to a of 0. Now after this line, immediately after this line, okay, if I want to print the value, printf %d star ptr. So what is the output I'll get here? Star ptr. What is the answer we will get here? Star ptr. What is ptr value? It is 1000. ptr is pointing to the first address, the base address of the array. So 1000. Okay, so star ptr will be pointing to the first value, that is 10. So star means value at star at 1000. Okay, so value at 1000. What is value at 1000? It's equal to 10. So the output will be 10. I'll be getting the answer 10. Okay, understood? Now suppose I want to move to the next element. I want to print the second index value. How do you actually print using the arrays? It is printf %d a of 1, right? It is a of 1, which means if I give a of 1, a of the first index value, I'll get the answer as 20. So a of 1 value will be 20. Okay, but I cannot make use of a plus 1. Please note here, I cannot write printf %d a plus 1, which is illegal way of assigning. Okay, so this is illegal, this is not possible, but using pointers I can make use of, I can directly point to the second index value, third index value, fourth index value, and so on. Okay, okay, now if you move on, the next one, I'll give PTR. What is actual PTR value? It is pointing to the first value, first index value. Now after this line, if I write PTR is equal to PTR plus 1. What will happen after this particular line? PTR is equal to PTR plus 1. Okay, what is PTR value? PTR is equal to PTR plus 1. What is the current value of PTR? It is 1000. So 1000 plus, okay, it is 1, right? So 1 into size of the data type. It is pointing to integer data type, right? What is size of int? It is 4 bytes. So it will be 1 into size of integer. So it is 4. So what is the answer? What is PTR now? PTR is pointing to 1000 plus 4, that is equal to 1004. So what is PTR value? PTR is equal to 1004. You got it? So now PTR will move from 1000 to 1004. Now PTR will move to the next index. Now PTR will be pointing to the second index value. Okay, after this particular line, PTR will be moving to the second value. Okay, now if I write printf %d star PTR, what is the answer we will get? The answer is star of, what is the value at PTR? 1004. What is the value here? It is star at 1004. Star at 1004 is 20. So I'll get the answer as 20. Got it? Rather than, instead of writing PTR is equal to, PTR1, I can write PTR plus plus also. So what will happen? Printf %d, I'll give \n, okay, star of PTR. Star of PTR. What exactly is happening here? What is current value of PTR? PTR is pointing to 1004. Current value of PTR is 1004, right? After this line, if I give PTR plus plus, this is equivalent to PTR plus plus is equivalent to PTR plus 1. Okay, now what will happen here? It will be PTR is equal to 1004 plus 1 into 4. So PTR will be 1008. So 1008 will be pointing to 30. Now PTR, current PTR value will move to this particular value. Got it? Okay, now what is the answer here? Output will be star at 1008. What is the answer? What is star at 1008? Star at 1008 will be 30. So the output will be 30. Okay, got it? Okay, now I can write PTR is equal to PTR plus 2. This is also valid. This is also legal way of incrementing. Legal increment. What will happen? What is current value of PTR? Current value of PTR is 1008, right? So 1008 plus 2 into 4. That's it. If it is PTR plus 1, it will be 1 into 4, right? It is 1 into 4. If it is PTR plus 2, it will be 2 into 4. So what is the answer here? 1008 plus 4 2s are 8. That is equal to 1016. So current value 1008 is here, right? So plus 2 will be, it will point to the next value. So the answer will be 50. 1008, 1012, 1016. So what is the answer? It will be 50. So if I write printf %d \n star of PTR, what is the output? It is star at 1016. What is value at 1016? It is 50. 1000, 1004, 1008, 1012, 1016. So the answer will be 50. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now just please think and answer this particular question. If I give star PTR is equal to 8. What is PTR value? PTR, current PTR value is, what is current PTR value? Current value of pointer is equal to 1016, which means PTR is currently pointing to 50, right? Now PTR, after that particular line, PTR will be pointing to this particular line, correct? It's 1016. Fine. Now what is star PTR? It is changing to 8. So which means 50 will be replaced by, 50 is replaced by value 8, right? Now 50 is replaced by, one second, 50 is replaced by 8. Okay, now value of 50 is 8. Now if I print the value, printf %d \n star of PTR, what is the output we will get? It will be 8. Okay, so any doubt in this? This is how you increment pointer variables using arithmetic operator addition. Okay, let me just recap. Okay, where will I use pointer addition, subtraction? In case of arrays. Array itself is a pointer. Okay, so the base address, I can give address of A rather than this. Instead of address of A of 0, we can use PTR is equal to A. This will also work. This will also work. Got it? Because pointer itself, array itself is a pointer variable. So the base address will be stored, base address. So array A of 0 will be stored in PTR. So instead of this also we can use this. Okay. So what will happen? I am just declaring one array variable which holds 10 different values of integer values, and then one more pointer variable. Okay. So what is a pointer variable? It is pointing to the address of an array, the first base value of A of 0. So now currently the value of PTR is 1000. Okay. Then printf, I'm printing the first value. See, I'm not using increment operator. I'm just using A of 1. If you give A of 1, second value will be printed. Okay. But if I give star PTR, it is the first value because it is pointing to the address of the first array element. Okay, so I'll get the answer as 10. Output is 10. Okay, but I cannot use using pointers. I can use pointer plus 1, pointer plus 2, pointer plus 3, and so on. But when I'm using array, I cannot give A plus 1 to display the first index value. Got it? So it is illegal. This is illegal. So in order to avoid this only, we go for pointer arithmetic operations. Okay, the next one. Now what is the current value of PTR? PTR is 1000. Okay, here PTR is equal to PTR plus 1. Now what exactly is happening here? PTR plus 1. What is PTR value? It is 1000. 1000 plus 1 into 4. 1 is, I am moving to the next index value, right? Next index value, what will be the address? It will be 1 into size of integer. What is size of integer? It is 4 bytes. So the first index value will be holding 10 from the base address 1000, 1001, 1002 and 1003. So 1000 to 1003 value will be stored. Okay, the second index value will start from 1004. So it is 1 into 4, 1004, 1005, 1006 and 1007. Got it? So how do you increment? It will be 1000 plus 1 into 4, PTR plus PTR is equal to 1004. Current value of PTR now it will be 1004. You got it? So 1000 will be changed to 1004 after this particular line. Okay, so it will be 1004 after this particular line. Okay, so the answer will be 20. Then again PTR, instead of PTR plus 1, we can also use PTR plus plus. So what is PTR plus plus? It is same way like PTR plus 1. So current value of PTR is 1004. Again I am incrementing plus 1. Now it will move to the second index value. So it will be, instead of 1004, the value will be instead of 1004, then it will be 1008. So it will be 1008. So what is value at 1008? It is 30. So it will print 30. Okay. Then after this particular line, I am just giving PTR is equal to PTR plus 2. What is current value of PTR? It is 1008, right? It is 1008. Okay. So what is the value at 1008? It is 30. Fine. Now it is PTR plus 2, which means from 30 I am moving to two more index value, which means 40 and 50. So it will move to A of 4. How do I, what is the actual address? It will be 1008 current address plus 2 into size of integer. So it is 4. So it is 1008 plus 8, 1016. What is the value? At 1016, it will be 50. Okay. So value 50 will be replaced. And see the last instruction, it is star PTR. What is star PTR? PTR value is 1016, right? This 1008 will be again replaced by, okay, so it will be replaced by 1016. So it will be 1016, right? 1016. Now current PTR value is 1016. Then I am changing current PTR value to 8. So what is 1016 value? It is 50. This will be replaced by 8. Then I am printing the current value of PTR, which is 8. You got it? You understood? So this is how you work with pointer arithmetic operations. Now let's see the execution part of these concepts. Okay, so let's move on. Let me start executing the concept. So int, so it is C program. So the header file will be hash include stdio.h int main. Okay, int a of 10 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, then I'll declare int star a pointer value. Then PTR is equal to address of A of 0, right? Now let me print the value. Printf %d/n, comma, star PTR. So what is the answer I have to get? The first value, first index value. The 0th index value is 10. So I have to get the answer, return 0, right? So I should get 10. So now let's check whether we get 10 or not. See the answer, we get 10. Okay. Now let me make change here. Let me give PTR is equal to PTR plus 1. Then printf %d, okay, star PTR. Now I'm moving the pointer to the next index value. PTR is equal to PTR plus 1. So from 10 it will move to 20. So what is the answer I'll get? I'll get 20 as the answer. 10 followed by 20. So first 10, then 20. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now let me use PTR plus plus and check. So from second index value, it should move to the next one, right? So I have to get the output 10, 20 and 30. Let's check. %d \n, okay, star PTR. So I have to get the output 10, 20 and 30. Got it? Okay. Now let me add PTR is equal to PTR plus 2. What is current PTR value? It is pointing to 30, right? Third index. Now PTR plus 2 means next index and one more index. So the output should be 50, right? Now let me check whether I'll get 10, 20 and 50. So printf %d \n star PTR. Okay. So what output we have to get? For this printf it should be 10, for the next one it should be 20, for the third one it should be 30, then plus 2, which means 50, not 40. Okay, so 10, 20, 30 and 50. See, that is the answer we get. Okay, now I taught you one more concept. What is the concept? Now what is current PTR value? It is pointing to this particular index, right? Now I'll try to change the value using PTR. Star PTR is equal to 8. Remember? Now printf %d slash n star PTR. Now let me trace the code. For the first printf, it will print 10. For the second printf, I'm moving to the next index, so 20, so I'll get 10, 20. For the third printf, we will get 30. And for the fourth printf, it's moving to 2 index later, so 10, 20, 30, 50. Then I'm changing star PTR. What is PTR value now? I'm not incrementing PTR value, which means current value is 50, right? I'm changing the current address value from 50 to 8. So what is the output I have to get? 10, 20, 30, 50 and 8. Let's check the output. See, 10, 20, 30, 50 and 8. Okay, you got it. So this is how you work with pointer arithmetic operations, which is addition operator. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.